morning, everyone. This is Patricia. Hope you're having a wonderful day. It's pretty nice in Savannah. The sun's not shining, but it's not raining, which is good. Let me just adjust this. It needs to be up higher. Okay, looks good to me. Today we're showing you an album made with Birds and Nest, a digiset from Creations by Kelly. Obviously by Kelly. This is a lovely set. It's obviously containing birds because it's called Birds and Nest and Nest. I'm kind of partial to this because I like birds. The flower there, which I thought was reminiscent of a nest, I thought went pretty well with it. I have a key and something that looks like a bird's egg. So, okay, it's 3 signatures. And it's quite chunky. A lot of lace. It's what I call a double journal, which means there's a journal inside which can be actually removed and taken, with you more conveniently. Let's get started. The inside of this is made with a cornflake box, which are quite stable if you double up on them. Thank goodness my husband eats lots of cornflakes. The pages are just fantastic. I don't know how to describe these to the best advantage, but each page that comes with this is just absolutely adorable. All my paper are tea dyed or coffee dyed. This particular one I quite like, with a little bird nest, and you can use tags if you wish. I did put a tag in the top, a couple of tags. Again, they're very cute bird nesty ones. These are the random labels and numbers, which Kelly very kindly sent to me a couple of weeks ago, even though she was sick, because I was going out of town and I wanted something to do. So I fussy cutted all the, numbers and all the random labels. Thank you again, Kelly. That was sweet of you. That's just tea dyed. Another of the papers. Her work is fantastic. I just love. Look at that robin. It's absolutely perfect. A couple more tags. Oh, these are the little cute envelopes, which, as you can see, you can put whatever you like in. I have one of the guest checks. Again, with a beautiful bird nest with eggs in it. And just another little tag I think I have on that. Put him away. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. I don't know about you guys. Are you troubled with your allergies at all? I sound like an advert for something. Mine have been terrible the last few days. I'm very kind of throaty. So excuse me, I might start coughing in the midst of this. Okay, this page I have a double pocket, which you can put whatever you like in, but I made tags to go in them, again with the beautiful bird nests. I've only used the DigiKit for this, other than lace. Everything else, and bits and bats I had around, we've all got decks full of things. But this set is so beautiful that it really doesn't call for much more. It really doesn't. It's a very easy make because everything just combines together so well. If you haven't noticed Kelly's work, you may want to go to her site on Etsy, Kelly's Creations. I just fell in love with her work. This one I backed. Not on a cornflake box this time, because I thought it was cute. It made it more stable to, if you wanted to take a little notebook with you. Okay, just a tea dye page. I can't remember what this was or where I got this from, but I kind of like it. It's very tactile. Look at that page. Look at the colours on that page. Oh, I just fall in love with her work. Okay, this one obviously is a tag. That was my favorite of all lace, and that was my last little bit. So hopefully I'll find some more of that. That's just how my little bird outside looks. My little bird, as though I'm in control of wild birds, but he is so beautiful. Don't much prettier. Again, one of the random labels and words. This is just a tag I made with a piece of card at the back and just a paper clip with a bow tied on it. Now the back of this tag, this part before I started sticking everything else on, is made. It's a board I make using all my cut-off bits from my last album I made. So this is more of the pink side. I make a master board and usually make tags out of it, but I made that first. Again, just the paper. Take a second to just absorb how beautiful it is. Okay, this is just a belly band with just a couple of the tags inside that I've put. Fabulous. Fabulous. She's so talented. Just a piece of journaling paper or something. Okay, this one has a double envelope with tags in it. Don't know what bird that is, but it looks mad. It's annoyed with something. And this is just a cluster which basically is a little material, lace, couple of the things from the sets, and a ribbon with just a tag. No bird this time, just a tag underneath. Excuse me. Cutouts of the random labels and words. Journaling paper. Ledger paper. I like that one. It kind of looks like, it is an old replica of an old bill from somewhere, an invoice. Now this is my second one. Remember I said at the beginning this one that you can take out. I saw this actually designed on Facebook, and for the life of me cannot find who did it to give them credit for it. But I thought it was so cute I would make one to go inside this. It's like the never-ending trifold album. It's just with regular pockets, tags inside envelopes. That's just a longer binder put on the side so I could slide them in there. Just a corner tag. Again with, these are all, as I said, originally. All from the set. Even that music page with the nest on there is from the set. Put that under. This I just used a piece of paper I had left over as a tag. This is the paper. And how this closes I will show you in 1 second. Okay, so this is again an invoice. An old invoice. There's no date on that. I wish I could find it. But it's from Paris, Gay Paris. Again with a bird nest and a bird tag. On this tag, and you can't see it because they are clear, is a tiny like button Velcro which holds that part together. So I have a big belly band on the back, but I don't have anything in that. Bird's nest. Tag on the back on one of the back pages with a pocket. Whoops, he's tight. Ooh. Another tag and a tag. I love this tag. I love the cluster at the top. Again, it was just stuff I had lying around. This is just a little piece of the leftover material I covered the journal with. That was a piece of napkin I had left from a cake I did a long time ago. And I think we're just about coming to the end. Oh no, there's a few more pages here. Whoops. Another tag there. Another cluster with a... Oh, that one is an envelope that you can put something inside. I guess that went inside. Okay. And this is just the free-form belly band. And it's ribbon, and I just have no idea where I got that from, but I think it's cute. This is another one of the envelopes that I kind of made a little on the more rigid side. Again, birds and eggs. And that just slips on there. And another of the beautiful pages with music. And this time we have a robin, I think. Tea-dyed. Look at that one. Beautiful! Well, ladies, that's the end of my showing you this one for today. Don't forget, check out Kelly's Creations by Kelly on Etsy and have fun making a journal with any of her wonderful designs. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.